session. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with this vintage bridal makeup look, wearing all oxidized jewelries. As you can see, I thought of this look few days back and I was really excited to create this look. Hope you guys will enjoy this look because I was super excited to create this look, and I think I have nailed this look because I really wanted to come up with this combination with maroon and this blue. Kept this look thinking about only oxidized jewelry because like I have seen few articles last year, brides wearing silver jewelry, and since then I actually wanted to come up with this kind of look, and finally here I am. I hope you guys will surely enjoy this look, and it is super easy to create. So yeah, keep watching and even like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. And that's it, me blabbering. Let's get into this video, otherwise it's going to be very lengthy. So yeah, just without wasting much time, please get into this video. For priming my face, I'm taking Sugar Base The Glory Pore Minimizing Primer, and I'm going to apply this on the T-zone area where I tend to get oily. Next, for my foundation, I'm taking Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. This is perfect for bridal look because it's medium to high coverage, and this is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm going to dot this all over my face and then blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. Now I'm taking Sugar Cosmetic Magic Wand Concealer. This is in the shade 12, and I'm going to apply this on the highest points of my face where I normally highlight, and even I'm going to conceal with the same concealer. So my features are nicely highlighted and even concealed. Even don't forget the lids area, so it's nicely primed for the eyeshadow. Now I'll be setting my face, and for that I'm taking the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is in the shade 15. Even again I'm taking the sponge and making sure there are no creases, and I'll be dusting this all over my face. Now to fill in my brows, I'm taking this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. This is in the shade 01 Medium to Dark. So I'm done with one eye. I'll be doing the same on the other eye as well, and for that first I am taking Makeup Revolution Temi X Tropical Carnival palette, and first I'll be going with the orange shade, and I'll be going with this on the inner corner above my crease. Next I'm going with this burgundy shade and applying this on the outer V and blending it with the orange. This is a very easy makeup look. You can achieve this super easily. You have to just follow these steps I'm doing. Next I'm taking this dark blue and applying this till the mid, holding the brush little slanted. Now I'm going to cut the crease with the same sugar concealer. Next, from NYX Ultimate palette, I'm going with this shade right here. Applying this on the area I have cut the crease. I'm just blending both the eyeshadows together over here, so it's going to look nice and seamless. Picking up little orange just to define the line over there. Now I'll be tight lining and waterlining with the Plum Kajal. This is the Plum Nature Studio Kajal. Then again I'm taking the blue from Makeup Revolution palette and smoking out the lower lash line. And again taking the burgundy shade, smoking out further. Now for the glitter, I'm going to use all the three shades from here, and I'll use my finger to dab this. First I'm going with the dark blue shade and applying it on the blue part of the eyeshadow. Now going with the grey, and then I'm going with the gunmetal color, and then a little bit of silver. Even on the inner corners, just barely touching it. Now I'm going to use the Lakme Instant Liner. Sugar Contour the Force palette. This is in the shade Vivid Victory, and I'll be going with the contour shade, and I'm going to apply this on the parameters of my face. Even for my blusher, I'm going with the same palette and applying this on the apples of my cheeks. And for my highlighter, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. First, I'm going to apply this on the eyebrow bones. And even I'm going to apply this on the tops of my face. And even applying this on the inner corners of my eyes. Now to finish off my eyes, I'm going to use mascara, and for that I'm going with the Colossal Mascara. This is the waterproof one, and I'm going to apply this on the top and even the bottom lashes. Now for my lips, I'm going to use Soft Wine from Maybelline, and this is the Sensational Liquid Matte. Love this color, perfect for Indian tone and obviously perfect for brides. That's it for this video, and this is how the whole look turned out. My favorite jewelry piece would be this nose pin, which was gifted by one of my nanny, and I am so happy that she gifted me, and I always wondered that when I'm going to wear this. So finally here I am with this look, and I think the whole look I have come up with oxidized jewelry. And if you enjoyed this concept, this video, please let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles. Everything is there in the description box, and even it's flashing right here. You can just go and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. Please do that, and even subscribe to my channel. That is not going to cost you anything, but it's going to mean a lot to me. So that's it for this one. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.